Okay. Let's get into this. Oh. What do I want to do?
Corporal Liam Michael O'Neill.
Got the card.
That's a good Irish name. I'm from Scotland myself. I hope you won't hold that against me. 24 years old. Too young for us to be meeting on this chilly morning. United States Marine Corps found face down in snowdrift in Montreal.
Die!
Well,
Chain killer is dead. Oh, there's...
Not stumbling home from a big night out, I trust. Now that would be a tragic waste of a young life. This is the place. Oh, a wee bump. Perhaps I spoke too soon. Perhaps you weren't the architect of your own destruction.
Hi! Stop coming after me. It's a big Jason, bro. And Granny's in here too, bro. Are you kidding me, Granny? I get you, Granny. Yeah, Granny's dead.
The decision was made. We were making a move. We had to. We knew that if we came in too high, it would cost us big time. We had to stay low.
Take machine gun, boy.
We locked it in and rode that low rate from Navy Federal Credit Union all the way to our first house.
Taste machine gun.
It's a split-level ranch. So cute.
Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission.
When I look out at the ocean, I get lost in endless blue waves, and that's when I find myself. We as women carry a lot on our shoulders. We sometimes forget how strong we are, how smart we are, how beautiful we are. But there's no limit to what we can do. When I escape to the sea, I'm transported to a tranquil place where there's a slower pace and a refreshing sense of possibility. When I find myself at the sea, I'm confident, comfortable, content. I'm my best self.
This is not a bed. It's a revolution in sleep. The Sleep Number 360
Die,
Smart Bed
boy.
is on sale now during our lowest prices of the
Get
season.
some.
It senses your movement and automatically adjusts to keep you both comfortable.
Catching on to me.
It even helps with this. So you wake up ready to hit the ground running. It's the lowest prices of the season. The Queen Sleep Number 360 C4 Smart Bed is now $12.99. Save $400 plus 0% interest for 36 months and Saturday. Sleep Number, proven quality sleep.
Get some.
About waking up during your own thoughts, honestly, Proby.
You know you
At least you know you're not dead.
Exactly.
Ducky's the one's left.
Why is that you love you?
Well, look who's finally here.
Oh, like you've never been late. Left early or
Why
gone
would he pull
mysteriously
her up?
missing.
Oh, no, that's my point exactly. Tardiness is my middle name. In fact, it's expected of me. You, on the other hand, have become
You
the
did.
poster girl for punctuality. Late night?
Early
Not
morning,
survivors.
lunch, new route. Longer than I expected.
Oh,
We'll
oh, oh,
run
okay.
faster tomorrow. Now, why is
Guys
that?
with guns.
Probably dead man walking.
I've had enough dead men walking.
One down.
This one was
Two
really
down.
dead. Like he was about to start the autopsy, and he came back to life. Like Lazarus.
Like Liam.
It's down here.
Liam O'Neill, corporal.
He was a
I don't wanna go down
communication
there.
specialist attached to
No, I
Marine
don't
Supply
know what's
Division
down there.
Combat Support
It's over here,
Hospital in
though.
Baghdad.
2-day leave from
Oh,
his unit in Iraq.
Wonder Man's in
Third
here.
tour.
Hardcore Marine.
Due to fly back to Baghdad day after tomorrow.
What do these guys
How does a
do?
man who is not dead end up on Ducky's autopsy?
Oh, this guy's cool. Oh, this one, man.
It was the Metro Police. They reported a dead man, not an unconscious one. Now, there's an old paramedic saying,
Goodbye.
they're not dead until they're warm and dead.
Die.
Not really blame them. Face down in a snowdrift.
Why
Core
move so
temperature
slow?
20 degrees below normal. No discernible heartbeat.
Qualies.
Could have been there for hours. It's
Trying
not
to
an
get the guard in
unreasonable
here.
conclusion under the
Yes.
circumstances.
Got it.
CPR.
By
Put
their
you two down.
estimation, he was long dead. CPR is for the recent dead.
Put you two down. I'm out of here.
Will cross their minds. You know,
What happened then?
physiology is very interesting.
Oh.
Faced with imminent death, the brain
Not you guys again.
begins to switch off the lights to preserve the last flicker of life and hope.
No,
Prognosis.
we're gonna get some.
Children have been known to
here?
make a full
Nothing.
recovery after being
Okay,
pulled
what's
from
going on
freezing
here?
rivers in
Nothing.
2 hours after they
Pennywise.
apparently drowned.
Of course.
Adults are rarely so lucky.
Why did I not think
He'll
of
be on
that?
a ventilator, and the hospital will constantly check.
First I knew there was gonna be a Pennywise here. You just get on my face, please. And thank you. No, wait, where did you guys come back? I'm
And
trapped.
bruising on the back and sides of his neck.
Oh,
He was struck on the side of the head. His face was
Oh,
pushed
you're not hurting
into
me.
the snow.
I need to
Violently
get
held
over
by his
so
neck
I-
to the back of the head.
wait,
Probably
it's
until
not
he
a card.
stopped thrashing.
Must lead to something.
That for starters.
What's going on in here?
Not much to
It's
see.
locked.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, chips. This chainsaw.
Meaning?
Da.
Okay.
Okay.
She is?
Just get some. Okay, wait, put the piece down. Put the piece down.
No, did anything give me a
Put the piece down
clue about
first.
this incident?
Thank you,
Alright.
dude.
You don't want to see me naked? Alright. I'll bring you
Oh
some
gosh.
food.
Glad you could join us.
I just died.
There's not much to
I was just gonna call you.
Oh,
Yes. Sat outside while Debbie was there. I don't think Debbie was happy with it. Debbie replanted that stupid twig, or indifferent twig. I don't think Debbie was too happy about her being out there. It's a little bit bigger, and no, she didn't put anything around it. Well, but anyways, no.
okay, let's see. I died, so let's try this again.
Okay. Yeah,
Someone over there.
yeah,
Big Jason, son.
yeah.
No.
But they should have realized it because there was a stick on it last time. Yeah. So
Now I gotta go for these guys again.
could be. Could be.
Try that again.
Chicken cutlet, mashed
totally gonna
potatoes,
die.
asparagus, and strawberries. Yeah. Yeah, she
'Cause
made
in
up
here-
2 trays,
It's a lot of
2
guys.
meals. So,
I get past these guys.
No, I
One
don't
food, one
eat
food.
those trays. I eat whatever is left over in the refrigerator. And by the way, Dorothy and I have decided we want no more coleslaw or potato salad. Because we're both tired of it. Yeah. It's good. But she says she doesn't want it anymore, and I don't either. But that's okay. I don't have to tell you what you can make your own. She wants to make macaroni and cheese, baked macaroni and cheese for Friday.
Die!
Well,
Dang!
No, let me
Oh,
finish.
dang,
She
this guy's
wants to
big.
do it, so I'm going to work with
Oh,
her.
thanks for
and
watching.